Hey guys, welcome back. So I got my January Boxycharm box here for you today. So as usual, I've gone ahead and opened up this box. I've tried out the goodies inside, and I've definitely got some thoughts for y'all today. So I'm going to run through the different products, let you know what I'm thinking about them, and just do a little unboxing / review video. So let's get to it. Okay, so the theme this month is Boxy and Chill. I love this little card. I love that graphic. I think it's adorable, super cute. I love the colors. It's just happy and girly and sweet and just makes me smile. Okay, so the first thing I got in my box are a couple of face masks. These are the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Masks. And this is a 2-pack, and it says it's a value of $24. So, wow, those are some fancy face masks. Okay, so it says, nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin's health and radiance. So I did use one of these last night, so that is why it is open. And it was very nice. I mean, it felt very hydrating. I left it on my skin for a long time. It said 15 minutes, but I think I left it on longer. And it was just, it felt so hydrating. Really had a lot of product on it, like I was bringing it down my neck and décolleté, so there was a lot of product in the mask. Even when I took it off, I kind of like pounced it on my face and my neck to kind of get more of the serum and stuff out. So it was a nice experience. I don't use sheet masks very often, but I definitely get the concept of them, that you're really kind of letting it sit on your skin and sort of locking in that moisture and that hydration. I can totally see that, and I definitely think I could tell a difference after I took the mask off. My skin did look very hydrated. I wouldn't say overly glowy and luminous, but a little bit. It looked, I would use the word hydrated more than glowy, but really a nice experience, very nice masks. Next, I got a hair product. This is the Briogeo Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray, and this is a 2-ounce. It says it retails for $12. It says effectively restore your hair's softness, manageability, moisture, and shine with Briogeo's Rosarco Milk Spray. Infused with a signature blend of ultra-nourishing rosehip, argan, and coconut oils, this spray works to detangle wet hair and protects against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. So I used this today, and I was actually pleasantly surprised by this. Just the word milk with fine hair makes me go, yikes, that's gonna be too heavy. But it really wasn't. It came out in a really nice fine mist. It felt light but hydrating on my hair. I really liked it. Like, it didn't overly feel gunky or heavy in any way. It felt very light, but I did use it as my heat protectant. And I mean, of course, I don't know like long-term benefits of it, but I didn't notice any negative effects on my fine hair. So I really did like how it felt on my hair. So I would definitely keep using this. So I actually am pleasantly surprised by this. Skincare and hair care are not my favorite things to get in boxes, but these do seem like nice products, both of them. I had to change my battery, so I probably shifted slightly. Okay, next product in here is a brow product. This is the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil, and this retails for $18. Says specially and carefully formulated to work perfectly with most skin tones and brow colors. This self-sharpening pencil glides onto your brows without tugging or pulling your skin. The spoolie at the end makes for easy blending, and the smooth and creamy formula makes for easy application. So I did try to use this on my brows today, but I had to bring in something else. It really didn't work for me as far as the color, which was disappointing because I do think I would probably like this formula, but I'm really not able to test it fully, like the longevity of it, because I can't put it all over my brows because it just doesn't really match me. Now, I do notice a little bit of like a packaging thing going on. This is very kind of loose right here. So I found that I had to kind of hold it like this so that it wouldn't twist down as I was using it, just because it feels so loose there. So that's just a little FYI. I found that I had to kind of hold the end, which is a little unnatural for me. Normally I hold a brow pencil a little bit lower down, so that's just kind of an FYI. So this color, like looking at a swatch, it looks like it would possibly still work for me, but it's just a little bit dark and a little bit warm for me. I mean, but looking next to my hair, it looks like it totally matches, but for some reason it just, on my face, looked very red. It actually looked pretty red, but it does feel like a nice creamy sort of a pencil. Now when I do this, it does move a little bit, and when I did like kind of pulled on the tail of my brow, I did notice a little bit of smudging. So again, I wish I like could fully test the longevity of it, but I really can't just because I can't put it all over my brows. But it does feel like a very creamy brow product. So I would probably, if I were to use this all over my brows, I would probably set it with a powder. Like I would use this and then put a powder over it. But I mean, the little bit that I was able to use it, it was very easy to apply. It like really went on well. It did not tug on my skin, so definitely delivered on that claim. So overall, I don't really know. It's just kind of like giving you what I'm able to observe with this. Does feel like a creamy brow pencil, may not be the most long wearing. It doesn't necessarily claim to be. So I would probably set it if you're gonna get this product, but it does feel nice and creamy. And my two favorite things in the box, there is an eyeshadow palette, which is really exciting. Actually, I already own this one, so I'm gonna save this one for a giveaway. This is the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette, so I went and grabbed mine. So this is what it looks like. So this Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow formula from Tarte is really kind of interesting. Mine looks a little funky because, you know, I've been swatching it like for videos, and I'm always swatching makeup. But so it gets kind of weird looking in the pan. It almost looks like it has hard pan, but I mean, you can see there, it's still very pigmented. So it's just kind of a different sort of a formula. I find on my eyes, it to also be an interesting sort of a formula. I don't dislike it, but it's not my favorite eyeshadow formula. I don't even know really how to describe it. I mean, but you can see it there. It's very pretty. I typically apply these with my fingers to my eyelids, and I find that I kind of like drag my brush, if I use a brush, kind of drag it the other direction and then spray it with some kind of a setting spray. Just to kind of get in there. You can, like, it's the same sort of idea as when I'm trying to swatch it. It's like it gets a little weird. I don't even know how to describe it, but there's a lot of really pretty bronzy colors in here if you like kind of bronzy, sandy kind of colors. That's totally what you're getting in here. It's very pretty. I always get excited about makeup in boxes, so I'm excited that this is in here. You know, something else in a giveaway for you guys, which is exciting. So it's not my favorite eyeshadow palette ever, but again, I love getting color cosmetics in boxes, so I'm excited that this is in here. And I do think this is a nice little palette for travel because it's cute and little and just like, I don't know, cute and little. And it makes me smile. And then last thing in here is an Ofra liquid lipstick. I love Ofra liquid lipsticks. They are one of my favorite formulas. So this is $20. I forgot to mention that the eyeshadow palette is $36. I've mentioned these on my channel a lot before, so I don't know that I need to read all of this to you. But basically, stays put all day, minimal transfer, comfortable wear. It's infused with vitamin A and antioxidants. Your lips will look and feel healthy all day. So I got the color Miami Fever. It's what I have on right now. Here it is swatched. Ofra recently, or I guess it's been a little while at this point, redid their packaging. So beautiful packaging on it. This color is so fun. It's like a rusty, reddy terracotta sort of a shade. I love it. I think it looks really pretty with blue eyes. It's beautiful on anyone, but I think that just kind of contrast is really pretty. So I just love this color. I think it's a beautiful one for the fall, but any time of year it's gorgeous. I really enjoy the Ofra liquid lipstick formula. It is more comfortable. It does transfer a little bit, doesn't completely set, but that's what I like about it. It makes it more comfortable. They really are a much more comfortable formula of liquid lipstick than a lot of ones out there. And this color is just so fun. So I'm excited that this is in here. Okay guys, so that's everything that I got in my box this month. So I just added up the value and it is $110. So definitely an awesome value. So my overall thoughts on this box, I do think it's really nice quality. It's just not my favorite box ever just because my personal preference is I like to get color cosmetics in boxes, but that's just a personal preference. But I do absolutely think that the quality and the value of this box is there for sure. It's just personal preference and I like getting color cosmetics a little bit more So it's not my favorite box ever, but I do still think it's a good one, quality and value-wise. So if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. I want to know what you got in your Boxycharm. Let me know that down below. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!